family room, and as you can see, we kind of mixed some antiques with modern because we have to have TVs and we have to enjoy our football games. So he is a handmade Santa. I kind of added him with the decor that was already here. So the ship was there, just put a little sign, and he's kind of woodsy, and I'm trying to warm the room up a little bit more. And then I do have my country tree here. No antique ornaments, but I do have these plastic icicles that are vintage, which are kind of sparkly. And then it's sort of handmade, country looking ornaments with the popcorn wrapped around it. It's just in a dough box and then just wrapped with fabric. So you can use any containers you have to put a tree in to hide the bottom of it. And then just wrap it with some fabric. We have a horse over here who's decorated.
We love this horse.
We love the horses.
We do.
Just love them.
You know I have a horse now.
But everyone needs to have a horse. I think I saw it in the picture.
You did.
I saw it. I go, that's a real horse.
It's a real horse.
I love them.
That was my birthday
I'm so
present.
drawn to them, and I go,
Yeah.
why? Why are you drawn to
Yeah.
them? Because they kind of scare me a little bit because they're so big.
Uh-huh.
But I go, I know what the connection is. My grandfather used to make saddles, and he did repairs on them, and he had a tack shop.
Oh.
And he probably brought me to ride at one point. But, so maybe that's the connection.
Maybe.
You know, we're just drawn to things that maybe we were familiar with,
Maybe.
or there's some connection. But the horses scare me in real life. But of course I buy another horse.
Well, that one can't scare you.
It's a little cute
Yeah.
one. My girlfriend had her open house.
Yeah.
And I said, I have to get that. And then, of course, we have the other one up there.
Right.
Yeah. So this room, I just tried to add a little bit of country to it.
Mm-hmm.
I have a little bit of a basket here with an arrangement
Mm-hmm.
to warm it up a little bit
Yeah.
without being too fussy.
Right.
You know,
Well, because
just
you're
to
going to
bring
hang out in
Chris-
here.
Just to bring Christmas into this room.
Yeah.
And of course, all the red and white fabrics just
Right.
look even more festive at this time of year than even though they're there year
They're
round.
there all year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It just looks a little more festive.
It does.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
So this is a kind of a simple room.
I need one of those tables.
Oh, those tables are
I almost bought one at Walker Homestead, but I sat there and I looked away because I was filming, and I came back and it was gone.
Well, the thing about them is they're great. Like we've had 60 people in this house, and to set up eating areas like there, they could sit here. You put the table down. I have another one on the porch. They're great because again, then you flip them up, push them against the wall like they used to do.
Yeah.
And they don't take up much room.
Right.
But they're great.
No, they are.
Yeah.
They really are. I mean,
At one point,
That's a great
this table here was switched. Well, I didn't have that piece.
oh, okay.
So it used to
Yeah.
be there.
Okay.
But that's a great thing. You can put them anywhere. You can put them in
Sure.
a bedroom, put them in a kitchen,
Yeah.
put them by a fireplace.
Yeah.
If you
They're
have a big
great.
enough area, they're great. They're
They're
awesome.
great. They're great.
They're great. And it's black.
Yeah, no. Perfect.
So okay. I guess we're in the hallway now.
Mm-hmm.
So this was something that I made years ago, but I just love it so. That goes here every year. I have my old trencher. I put bowl fillers or whatever I have on hand. I throw it in there. I'll throw cranberries. This is actually an old vintage guy stuck in an old tin. So you can do that if you have an old tin or an old container and you have some old Santas or some old things, you can just put it in and make your own little display.
Yeah.
And then we have a little piece of redware with a reindeer on it. That's a reproduction, but I love that reindeer.
That's really cute.
And this is I love this piece.
Yeah, that piece is great.
This piece I did get one year at that fabulous show in Marlboro.
Oh, yeah, that's a cool. That's cool.
So I have some a few hand painted pieces of mine that I when I was painting. So there's a couple of them around.
An Alice original. Oh, look at that. Isn't he cute?
So let's go into the laundry room, and so in here I have a few things that I had painted. Again, like to bring a little bit of Christmas color in here.
He's adorable.
And then those were the mittens.
Yeah.
But not a lot, but just enough to bring the season in here.
Yeah. This is
So
cute.
every room that I go to, it's Christmassy.
Right.
Yeah.
Right, and you have a bottle brush.
Yes, I do. A
Yes,
red one.
a
Yes,
red
I
one.
do. And
Yes.
then the other thing I will do too is just to add a little more green. Not in every room, but I happen to do it in this room and in the bathroom. Just add the green around the candle.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So, just a touch.
Just a touch.
Just a touch.
A touch. And now we go into the bathroom.
And so we have a little touch in here too. So we've got probably another vintage, probably from the 50s, plastic Santa and reindeer. And this fits perfectly here every year.
Yeah.
So that's all we do with that.
Yep.
Got that last year from, I think I got it from Laney.
Yeah. Looks
I
like
got
a
it from
bumpkins
Laney.
thing. Mhm.
Yeah. A bottle brush wreath.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I put them in every window.
Yeah.
If
they're
I had enough.
Right.
And
Right.
and it's kind of, decrepit and worn and bent. I love that.
Yep.
I just love that.
Yep.
And then, greens with the red.
Mm-hmm.
And then I had to do this. Normally I have a candle here,
That's cute.
but how cute a little
Stop
seed.
it.
Stop
it. Yeah. Okay, and you know what else I noticed? Because I, of course, slipped into the bathroom before. I was like, oh my goodness, look at that
Everyone
cute little
needs gingerbread.
thing.
So
That's so cute.
did you see that though?
It's redware.
Redware with a tree.
Oh, that's nice. No, I just kind of stopped at the gingerbread and thought, no, I used the stuff behind it. It's very cute.
So you can bring it into every room.
Yeah.
And have fun with it.
That's so cool. That's so cool. So we'll go into the kitchen and take pictures. Alice, thank
Yes.
you for giving us your tour.
Welcome. I'm so glad you came by because I love Christmas. It's my favorite holiday, and I think that's due to my mom. But I want to wish you all a wonderful, joyous Christmas with your family. My boys are coming home, so I'm very excited about that. Just grab all the joy that you can this special season.
Yeah.
And we'll see you in 2022.
Yay. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.